Welcome back to my channel. And so the time is 9, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8. 9, 8. So as it is 9, 8, I think it's gonna rain, and there are so much vehicles near Vine Gate. Today I woke up early because my mother woke up me. Yeah, now there are no vehicles. I know why. No vehicles on the road. Only 2 or 3 vehicles, but on the wine shop there are no vehicles. Because this building is there, no? This building down, wine shop is there. So now there are no vehicles because here today onward for here 9 o'clock curfew. So they were rush. And I had my breakfast also. And yeah, I want to go to bath. And all my goldfish was silent since I don't know what. Maybe it's gonna be dead. Yeah, whatever, it depends on the God. Whatever God does. And I was getting headache as soon as I drank coffee. It went. How is it? It went. And yeah guys, I was playing Among Us yesterday, and Among Us new update is good, like the airship map. The airship map is so big, like I wanted to kill a guy. I was the imposter. I wanted to kill a guy. I don't know where it is. I was finding, where it is. I'm not even getting it. It's so big. So I'll have my bath, and then I will meet you after my bath. Okay guys, I had my bath, and today I have the geyser, doors, everything, and now I'll show you the view, then I'll end the vlog. Yeah guys, so here are some sticks here. Not to be clear. Look here, the uncles are there, and look here, secret recording. Look at there, but they're wearing masks. And yeah, no only these, only some are there. And as soon as police come, no, with the danda, everybody will everybody will shut up and then go. And I'll show you from that window. And the washing machine clothes are there. And and yeah, and my son. Guys, can you hear the sirens of ambulance? Maybe I think police. Guys, police. Look. You saw that? Kana police. अरे डंडा पड़ गया और सबको चुप रहना पड़ा. Police will take around them for everyone. Again. अरे यार, oh my god. Seriously guys. Seriously, like she shouted some man, I feel. Maybe that one general store is it for that. And yeah, here are my fishies. Today when everybody is silent, maybe lockdown for them, maybe. Okay, whatever. So thank you guys for watching this video. So please like, share and subscribe to Ankit Vlogs, Ankit Gaming. Meet you in the next video. So till that time, tata, bye bye, see you and love you all. Bye bye, bye bye.